Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate text custom in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet. Now I rotate text custom on this sheet. At first, you select a cell. Then go to Home menu. Then click orientation drop down menu. Now click format cell alignment. Now choose a custom number. I choose 77. Then press OK. Now you can see I rotate text custom in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.